The National Electrical Code prohibits the tying together of neutrals from multiple circuits. Specifically, Article 300.3b states neutral conductors shall not be used for equipment grounding or for any purpose other than the return path for current from the load back to the source. There are several reasons for this prohibition. Firstly, overload risk. If one circuit overloads, it can overload the other circuit sharing the same neutral, potentially causing a fire. Secondly, voltage imbalance. Multiple circuits sharing a neutral can result in voltage imbalances, which can damage equipment and cause malfunctions. Thirdly, ground fault danger. If a ground fault occurs on one circuit, it can spread to other circuits sharing the same neutral, increasing the risk of shock or fire. While Cook County has not implemented a specific requirement for neutral traces for individual circuits, all electrical installations in Cook County must comply with the NEC. In the case of two circuits with two neutrals tied together, it is not specifically required by the NEC to identify the neutrals as one in the panel or junction boxes. However, for safety reasons, it is recommended to do so to prevent confusion and ensure proper identification during maintenance or repairs. To address the issue, the following steps are recommended. Firstly, separate the neutral conductors for each circuit and verify that they are properly terminated on the neutral bus in the panel. Secondly, ensure that all circuits are properly protected by overcurrent devices such as fuses or circuit breakers. Thirdly, consider installing voltage and current monitoring devices to detect any potential imbalances or overloads. Finally, label the neutrals in the panel and junction boxes to indicate which circuits they belong to.